Hello everybody. So this is our continuous session of Check Point IPS. So I think we have already covered almost all the concept and settings related to IPS. And in this session, I'm going to explain like how we can update the IPS, how we can schedule the IPS update. And it's very important to understand if you're working as a network security engineer or even cyber security engineers. Okay. This session is very short and quick, guys. So if you come on the gateway and server, like if you log in your security management servers with the help of smart console applications, and if we come on the your object of the gateway or because this in our setup it is a standalone devices, so SMS and gateway is on the same box. Okay, if you come on the IPS, guys, there are some option here like activation mode according to the policy, and second one detect only. So what should be the activation mode? Of course, it should be according to policy. It should not be detect only. Okay, because whatever things we generally configure on the policy, accordingly, it is going to be act, not only detect, right? Second option, very, very good option here, like bypass under load. So bypass IPS inspection when gateway is under heavy load. So what is the meaning, guys? See if the device has high CPU utilizations, we can say like gateway is under heavy load. In that case, if you enable this option, firewall is not going to inspect IPS related things. It is going to be bypass IPS. It is only going to be send the traffic without inspecting it. So this is the meaning of bypass under load. Okay, we can also track it with the help of log. We can mail alert, SNMP trap alerts, and there is another one features like if you go on the advanced, guys, we can set the threshold also like gateway load threshold. So if the CPU is like low 70% or 80%, memory low 70% or 80%, it should generate the alerts. And if you're going to be, accordingly, we need to take action. If you're not going to take action, firewall is going to be bypass the IPS inspection. It is not going to be inspected. Okay. So I hope this two option is clear for everybody. Second one, IPS update policies. So the gateway automatically update the IPS protection. So every 2 hours, it is going to be updated automatically, or even we can also do manually. Use IPS management updates. Okay. So recently I have done recently I just uh, recently I just updated like IPS management update, guys. Before some before some minutes, IPS update finished successfully. Perfect. So second things like how we can schedule it. So if we come on the like here like security policy, and if you come on the threat prevention, guys, if you come on the updates, so here there is option like IPS. So we can update is there are so many options like downloading a smart console. So it is required in case of offline, guys. If no, if you know, if it, we can say like if then there is no any internet connectivity. Second things, downloading security management server. We can download the IPS update with the help of security management server. Second thing, we can offline update. We can do offline update also, and this is very good features like switch to version. What is the meaning of? So for examples, guys, maybe recently we have updated our IPS, and maybe you update in the morning, and again you update in the afternoon, for example. And once we updated in the afternoon, guys, start creating issue in the production. Okay. So in that case, if you're sure about that update IPS update, we can revert it. Okay, so we can switch the older version here, and then we can switch it. If we click on this like 746, when we can switch it. So this is the good features. We can revert our changes. In short, I can tell related to IPS update. Okay, perfect, guys. So this is about the update now, all the options. I have explained all the option here. Perfect. And then we can schedule update also, guys. You can schedule it like enable IPS schedule update on the security management server and security gateway. We can configure it here like we can update every day, update it daily, days in weeks, days in month. So accordingly, we can schedule our updates here related to IPS, guys. It depends on our need, depends your business need, like when we can update our IPS. Okay. Perfect. There's some another option like on successful IPS update on security management server, install policy on the security gateway, and so there are some other options related to IPS schedule updates, guys. So it depends like how we, it depends upon your business and depends upon the management. Or instead, in short, I can tell like generally we get discuss these things with the vendor also, like which option and which schedule IPS schedule updates should be good in the production. Perfect. Yeah. Perfect, guys. So this is about the IPS, and I think now it is showing like I have one gateway. Our IPS is up to date at the moment, right? If you click on the more date, so SMS gateway, this is our the standalone devices, and gateway is updated with the data, database version, and now it is up to date. Like IPS is up to date, NT board is up to date, and antivirus is up to date. So it's looking good, right? Perfect. So this is about like IPS, guys. How we can update it manually, how we can schedule it. Another features like follow protection, guys. So mark updated protection with follow up flag. So if any new protection is coming, it is going to be follow up with a flag, guys. Follow up with flag. So this is also good features in IPS update. So yes, so that's it about the IPS update. How we can do it and how we can schedule it. So if you like the efforts, please share this video and share about this channel to you, to the needed people in your circle. And let's meet on the next session with some new topics. Have a nice day ahead. Thanks everybody, and thanks for watching.